Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to transcribe audio to text in Microsoft Word. So first, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Word and log in to your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Then create a new document. Now in the new document, go to the Home tab and click on the arrow next to Dictate and select Transcribe from the drop-down menu. In the Transcribe pane, you can click here to change or to select the language of your file. Click on Upload Audio and select the audio file you want to transcribe. Then click on Open. The audio file will upload and Microsoft Word will start transcribing it to text. This may take a few moments depending on the length of the audio file. Once the transcription is complete, you will see the text in the Describe pane. You can play you can play back the audio and edit the text as needed. You can also change the speaker and select to change all speakers. For example, if I change this one to speaker and click on change all speaker one, then all speaker one will be changed to speaker. And you can also change or modify the text. And to add the transcription to your document, just click on Add to Document or click on the arrow next to Add to Document and select to add just the text or with speakers, with timestamps, or with speakers and timestamps. Let's select just text. Or select specific parts to add by clicking the Add next to each section, like this. And finally, review and format your transcribed text in the document as needed. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.